Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we're going to be discussing about one of the hottest projects that is currently going on right now, and so many people are dropping into it because of its potentials. And in this video I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know about this project, and this project is called the Yeblock. So it is a blockchain project on its own. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account, how you can start mining, and also we are going to be looking at what this project is all about and then where they are coming from. So this video is going to be very interesting, and if you have not started mining, because I know some people might have started mining already, if you are seeing this video and you have started mining, congratulations to you. But if you have not, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. You need to go there and then join and then start mining immediately. And if you are not part of our Telegram channel, please make sure that you join so that we can be communicating there all together. So before we go into today's video, if you are new into this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So it's very simple. First of all, if you come right here, this is a screenshot from their X account, and if you open up, you can see that they have already built their X account to about 14.8k followers right here. And then if you come right here, you see that this platform joined X on May. You can see May 2026, and it is a Hong Kong based project that is in China. You can see that they have been releasing some updates regarding to their project, their vision, and what they are doing, so you can take time to study it. But for this video I'm basically going to be showing you how you can open an account and then be mining. So it's just launched on July 17th, so you are still very early. We are still very early if we start participating in this project right now. Now what you need to do is go to the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link, tap on it, and then you are also going to see a referral code. Copy it and then click on that link. It is going to open up like this. But here you can just go ahead, enter your email address right here, and then click on next. So once you enter your email address, you are going to come over to this page where you need to enter your nickname. So I'm going to just go ahead and type the token trackers, all right, like this. Yeah, so you just go ahead, enter your password here, repeat the same password here, and then come and click on create account right here. So once you click on create an account, you can see that the registration is successful, and then you can have the option to go ahead and log in right here. But we are not going to log in. We are going to come over here. You can see download right here. So we are going to download the Yeblock app right here. So you just click on that. You are going to come over to this page. You just scroll down so you can see download for Android, because I'm using Android. If you're using iPhone, you can tap here. So you just tap on the Android version, and then you can see this warning. But I'm going to just go ahead and download, and then you are going to see that it's currently downloading right here. Downloaded. So I will just go ahead, click on open right here. Click on it. I will just go ahead, click on package installer, and then click on just once, and then go ahead and install it. So you can see it's currently installing right here. So I will just click on open. So once you click on open, it is going to load up. So what you need to do is I will click on allow. So right here you can enter your email and then your password and then log in. So once you log in like this, you are going to come over to this page. Now this part is very important, and what is that? You need to verify your email. If you don't verify your email, you are going to have complications ahead. So make sure that you verify this by clicking on verify now, then come over here, and then you see on verify right here. So you need to click on the on verify, and then click on send code. So once you click on send code, a code will be sent to your email. You will go and copy the code, come and paste right here, and then click on verify email. If you click and then you went to your email and then you didn't see the code, go to the spam of your email, and then you are going to see there. So once you come back and paste the code, you are going to see verified right here. So you have successfully verified, and that is how it is. So you need to come over to the home section right here. This is where the mining is going to be happening. So I'm going to be making other detailed videos, but I just want to show you how to earn. So you need to be coming here to be doing your daily check-in, and it is you are going to be earning 0.5 YBT. per 24 hours. So the YBT is the name of their token, so we are going to just be earning 0.5 now. So once you click on that, you see you have claimed for today. So you need to, there is a time countdown right here now. I will be able to claim again in the next 24 hours. And then there is this thing that right here called the KOL upgrade. I'm going to explain it in my next video. And then if you want to invite your friends, you need to just come over here and then click on it, and then you are going to go ahead and then see your referral link to be able to copy it. Now before we go into this, now if you look at the mining rate is very small, like I said, and the reason is this: the total supply of this particular project is just going to be 121 million tokens. I'm going to make another video for that total supply so that you understand a lot of things and then position right. So if you just mine few tokens and you are serious with this project, you are going to get something massive. And just like in the early days of Verychat, I introduced the Verychat to this community when it was still very new, and I'm bringing this to you too. So this app is closer to what Verychat is. It is a social app, just like Facebook, just like X, just like Verychat, just like even the CPen network. And then if you come right here, you can see that you can access their other apps right here, and then the interface right here, you can have a chat section. Like if you join, you are part of my team, we can chat here. So you can see messaging, you can see contacts. So it's very, very interesting the way it is building. It looks like they have a clear future. And then if you come over to my right here, my is your page, and then also there you can get your referral link. You can see everything that has to do with you right here. So that's it, guys. For now, what you need to do is make sure that you go to the comment section or the description section and then start mining, so that you won't be part of those who are going to regret. And before I go, this project, their P2P is starting very soon. Well, I will leave that for other videos. Their P2P is coming very soon, so position well and then be mining. The problem is that most people, once you show a project like this at the early stage, you join and then you just leave. Once you mine 1-2 days, you leave. Please, if you know you are not going to be mining, don't join, so that you won't. Well, and if you are watching this video right now and you have not started mining the Verychat, guys, you are not doing any good to yourself. So I'm going to also leave the link in the comment section of this video and also in the description section, so that you can join and start mining immediately. It's very easy. So you just have to be coming here and then you click here to harvest whatever thing you have. And you also need to get a note by referring people. Once you get this note, you are going to be mining tokens that are going straight to your wallet. And once you have tokens on your wallet, you are free to sell them now. You don't even need to wait for the listing. So by this, I mean that the trading of the Very tokens is already ongoing. If you want to sell, if you have tokens, if you have Very tokens and you want to sell, what you need to do, go to the comment section. You're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join there and say you want to sell, or if you want to buy, you can also do the same thing, and then we are going to sell it to you. So Verychat is already printing money. You don't need to wait. You don't have to mine and wait till listing. If you mine and you want to withdraw the money immediately, so you can do that.